Welcome to our session on mastering basic spreadsheet software skills. Today, we'll explore essential techniques to efficiently manage data, perform calculations, and create organized documents for both personal and professional use. To begin, creating a new spreadsheet is simple. Users can open a blank spreadsheet from the software's File menu, such as starting a new project in Microsoft Excel, to organize their data effectively. Entering data into a spreadsheet involves inputting information into cells, organized by rows and columns. For instance, you might type product names in the first column and corresponding prices in the second column. Basic formulas are crucial for calculations. You can perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, using the sum formula helps total expenses quickly and accurately. Formatting cells enhances data presentation. You can format cells to display data as currency, percentages, or dates, such as formatting a cell as currency to clearly show product prices. Organizing data is made easy with sorting and filtering. Users can sort columns alphabetically or by numerical values and apply filters to focus on specific data, like sorting clients by sales volume. Once your spreadsheet is complete, saving and printing are essential. You can save spreadsheets for future reference or print them, such as preparing a sales report for a meeting. In conclusion, mastering basic spreadsheet software skills empowers users to manage data efficiently, perform calculations, and generate organized documents. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you find these skills valuable in your endeavors.